What's going on, guys? Britta here. I'm back with Codecademy's JavaScript course, and today it looks like we're working on a project. It's called Kelvin Weather. Deep in his mountainside meteorology lab, the mad scientist Kelvin has mastered weather prediction. Recently, Kelvin began publishing his weather forecast on his website. However, there's a problem. All of his forecasts describe the temperature in Kelvin. With our knowledge of JavaScript, let's convert Kelvin to Celsius, then to Fahrenheit. For example, 283 Kelvin converts to 10 Celsius, which converts to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click Get Unstuck to see a project walkthrough video. Alright. Mark the tasks as complete by checking them off. The forecast today is 293. To start, create a variable named Kelvin and set it to equal to 293. So var Kelvin 293. The value saved to Kelvin will stay constant. Choose the variable type with this in mind. Const. Write a comment above that explains this line of code. So I think comment, this is Kelvin with a constant variable. I don't know if that's how we comment JavaScript. Let's see. How to comment JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is the same as HTML. So okay, Kelvin with a constant variable. Celsius is similar to Kelvin. The only difference is that Celsius is 273 degrees less than Kelvin. Let's convert Kelvin to Celsius by subtracting 273 from the Kelvin variable. Store the result in another variable named Celsius. So const, let's do let Celsius equal Kelvin minus 273. I don't think that's right. I wish I could run it to see what, oh, I can't run it because there's no print console to print. Let's convert Kelvin to Celsius by subtracting 273 from the Kelvin variable. Store the result in another variable named Celsius. Alright, write a comment above that explains this line of code. So this would be getting Celsius by subtracting 273 from Kelvin. Okay. Use this equation to calculate Fahrenheit, then store the answer in a variable named Fahrenheit. See, I don't think I stored this properly. Celsius equals Kelvin minus... I don't know that that's right. Let's just check. Const Kelvin equals 293. Okay, so that's right. Add a single line comments with slash slash. Oh, let's try that. So slash slash, and then can I take that away? Oh, excellent. Okay. All right, so those two things we did good. Now let's check this one. Const Celsius equals, oh, so we almost did it right. Kelvin does not need those. I thought it did. And this should still be constant. Const Celsius. Although I'm confused as to why this is constant, because the temperature changes, so I guess it doesn't change per day, but still it changes. Write a comment above that explains this line of code. Okay, we did that. Use this equation to calculate Fahrenheit, then store the answer in a variable named Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit equals Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. In the next step, we'll round the number saved to Fahrenheit. Choose the variable type that allows you to change its value. So let Fahrenheit equal Celsius times 9 divided by 5. I don't know if we need these spaces here. Plus 32. Okay. I was wondering why there was no let here, but that is right. All right. Write a comment above that explains the code. So this is changing Celsius to Fahrenheit. When you convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you often get a decimal number. Use the .floor method from the built-in math object to round down the Fahrenheit temperature. Save the result to the Fahrenheit variable. Now, I don't know how to do this. Fahrenheit equals math.floor Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit equals math.floor. I wonder if that has to be a capital M for math. I'm going to leave it that way because that's how they have it. Fahrenheit. And then a comment above. This turns Fahrenheit number into a rounds up Fahrenheit number. Right, it rounds up, not down, correct? Yeah. Alright. When you convert from Celsius, you often get a decimal number. Okay, we did that. Write a comment above. Use console.log and string interpolation to log the temperature in Fahrenheit to the console as follows. Use string interpolation to replace temperature with the value saved to Fahrenheit. So, console.log, the temperature is temperature degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm pretty set that that's the right way there. And I believe that this has to have a dollar exclamation point or an exclamation point dollar. I forget what it is. We're gonna probably have to look. I think it's, no, it's this. And then dollar sign. I think. I'm not sure. Alright. Console.log. Okay, we got that right. Oh, I forgot these. The temperature is, okay, so I had this almost right. So the dollar sign goes on the outside. Temperature, degrees, Fahrenheit. And then this little guy goes at the end. The rest of that was right. Alright, so let's save. Okay. Console.log, the temperature is temperature degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. Let Fahrenheit equal Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Celsius is not defined. And that is because I messed up and put an extra S there. So let's try that again. The temperature is temperature degrees Fahrenheit. Console.log, the temperature is Fahrenheit degrees. Okay. Kelvin is about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So this shows me what to do here. It shows me what to do here. But temperature needs to be set up somewhere. Fahrenheit equals math.floor Fahrenheit. Or should this be? Let's try that. Okay. With the value saved to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit equals math.floor Fahrenheit. Okay. I don't know why that's not working. By using variables, your program should work for any Kelvin temperature. Just change the value of Kelvin and run the program again. What's 0? Okay, so something here is not right with this interpolation. What does this little arrow thing mean here? How do I see, I am stuck because this is not right. Am I spelling this right all the way around? Fahrenheit, 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 Fahrenheit. It says choose a variable type that allows you to change its value, but I didn't choose anything. Alright, let's go back up. Get unstuck. I don't see a get unstuck button. Click get unstuck. I just don't see that. I see the hint buttons. I want to know now how this works. This is just gonna open another. Okay, yeah, I don't need to see that. Where's get unstuck? Format code. I'm not crazy, right? You guys don't see. Oh, there it is right there. Alright, so I'm not sure if I should be sharing their video on here.
Hello everyone, I am Brian. I am a developer from Florida, and today we're going to go over the Learn JavaScript Kelvin Weather project. Our key concepts for today are going to be comments, log,
let's go past here to where we're at.
Plus 32. So step number 6 is to comment what we just did.
I'm going to turn that down just so I don't get...
Convert Celsius to Fahrenheit.
View in a separate window.
Hello everyone, I am Brian. I am a developer.
Yeah, see, he did some other stuff.
That was step 10. So
excuse me. How do I get this out of here?
For step 11, it is saying that since we use variables, we should be able to plug in any Kelvin temperature that will return to us Fahrenheit. So
alright, I'm going to try to open that in another window.
0 Kelvin in Fahrenheit.
Over here.
And we change to,
because I'm feeling nervous about that copyright violation there. So, Kelvin Weather, Codecademy. I don't see that exact video. That guy's name is Brian. Brian. I'm still not seeing that video, guys. Is this it? I have it muted and on another screen just because I don't want to get copyright violation here. But let's see here. So that's the same. Kelvin minus 273. Let's go a little bit further and see what they got going on here. Alright, so const Celsius. Kelvin minus 273. Let Fahrenheit equals Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. That's right. Console.log. The temperature is... No, that's right. So they have another thing here. Fahrenheit equals math.floor Fahrenheit, okay. Console.log. I don't know if this makes any difference, but I thought that's what I had. The temperature is this supposed to have a space here? No. No. Fahrenheit degrees. Fahrenheit. Console.log. I think I know what it is. I think this is supposed to be this. and not there we go. Okay, I was using the wrong thing. That's what it was the whole time. Okay, so it's saying it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And this says, where's it at? This says Kelvin is about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So then it says, great work. Kelvin can now publish his forecast in Celsius and Fahrenheit. If you like extra practice, try to convert Celsius to the Newton scale using the equation below. So, Newton equals Celsius times 33 divided by 100. We're just going to see what happens if we turn this to 0. It is negative 460 degrees. Let's go back up here. So this is 293. And I don't need this at all. Alright guys, that's the end of our Kelvin Weather project. You guys let me know what you guys thought about this one in the comments, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!